Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to know about the Sumerian civilization. Sumer was the southern part of the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Today this area is a part of Iraq. 5000 years ago several city-states had grown up in Sumer. As you can see in this map, Mesopotamia was known as the Fertile Crescent because of its crescent shape and availability of fertile or rich soil that is good for planting. It was also known as the cradle of civilization because it was the birthplace of civilization. The first major civilization was Sumer. Now you can see the fertile land there, the river. It was a dry, hot desert-like climate. The rivers would flood unpredictably every spring, leaving silt behind to help create fertile, rich soil which was great for growing. Sumerians needed to control the river so they could prosper. Irrigation is the most important system that was developed by Sumerians to control the flow and direction of waters from the river. Canals and irrigation ditches were built to redirect the waters to the fields. In the picture you can see how the fields are irrigated by the river water. In the development of agriculture side, the inventions they have introduced, the plow, the wheel cart, these inventions helped crops to grow in the difficult climate which led to a surplus of food. The surplus led to a system of trading. Sumer had limited resources, so needed to barter with other lands. Mesopotamia city-state. There were many city-states that developed in Mesopotamia. They were independent of one another. They each had their own god, government, and leaders. They would often go to war with each other over resources and land. Now this is the picture of a city-state. Now you can see in this picture, it is named as ziggurats, located in the center of the city-state, home for the cities of God. It was a temple only priests could enter. Courtyards surrounded ziggurats so merchants could trade goods. It was known as the Mountain of Gods. The city was designed in that way. The ziggurat was prominently seen from the outside of the city. In the pictures you can see the Sumerian city. Sumerian houses faced away from crowded streets. Instead, they faced into courtyards where families ate and children could play. Sumerian city streets were so narrow that you could hardly get a cart through them. They have a class system and the division of labor as well. People started specializing or becoming trained in different jobs. There were farmers, craftsmen, priests, merchants, soldiers. People had different jobs to do and contributed to the society. Depending on their wealth and education, people were valued differently and were treated differently by the law. Slaves and peasants were at the bottom of the social pyramid, and rulers, priests, and the wealthy were at the top. The wealthier you were, the closer to the ziggurat you lived. In this picture, you can see the writing style of the Sumerian civilization, which was known as the cuneiform writing. They used to write on the stones, wedge-shaped writing, deciphering cuneiform writing. That's all for today. Thank you.